My name is Anna-Lea Ortmann and I'm doing my PhD within the Transformative Agroforestry Living Lab, in which we work as an interdisciplinary team. In my research, I focus on two key questions. First, how can we improve the drought tolerance and climate resilience of domestic apple trees starting from the root? And second, how does knowledge spread and increase in agroforestry practice networks? Agroforestry holds great potential for the creation of more climate-resilient farming systems. At the same time, fruit trees like apples are increasingly exposed to extreme droughts, a major concern in the context of climate change. Our previous research has shown that farmers in the Lower Rhine region identify drought as the most serious threat to their farms. To investigate drought tolerance of apple trees, we established a greenhouse experiment in early 2024. We selected 6 different apple rootstocks from weak to vigorous growers and exposed half of them to drought stress. We then analyzed their physiological responses, focusing on photosynthesis, osmoregulation, and plant hormone levels. After 1 year of growth in 2 pot types, standard pots and air pots, we examined the root systems in detail, cleaned them, documented their morphology, and collected samples for lab analysis. As a follow-up, we are now setting up a field trial together with 2 local farms. In autumn, we will plant the same apple trees into 2 agroforestry systems. This will allow to observe their long-term development under real farm conditions. Already in November 2024, we planted a first small trial with 2 sweet chestnut varieties, a tree crop that is more drought tolerant and could also become more important again in the Lower Rhine in response to climate change. But agroforestry is not just about trees, it's also about people. In our living lab, we work closely with farmers and land users. We know that peer-to-peer learning is essential for the development of agroforestry practices. That's why we initiated a bi-monthly agroforestry roundtable for the Lower Rhine region. Since June 2024, around 50 practitioners from agriculture, horticulture, silviculture and conservation have taken part in our get-togethers. Through workshops and surveys, we aim to better understand the needs, challenges and opportunities of peer-to-peer learning. With this research, I hope to contribute to more climate-resilient apple cultivation in intensive orchards, traditional meadow orchards and modern agroforestry systems, as well as the development of dynamic agroforestry networks that support practitioners.